Look at you go. You got it. There you go. Holy smokes, look at you. Yeah. Or some more. That one I think is too far. You got it? Make yourself get it. Hard. Push. Ugh. Wendy's gonna get the rope. You got it. Good job. God, so, Wendy, she's just flying today. Look at her go.
Like, ooh, yes.
Good job, babe.
Girl, get a little closer. Pull yourself up a little closer. Like that.
There you go. Good job. Okay, get the rest.
More. We need more.
I mean, she's like not even, she's just like, all right, let's just rip them out.
Use your arms to propel yourself.